renting an Hermes bag for a fraction of the cost. Use it, abusing it, and then losing it. Renting an Hermes bag. You guys, let's do a quick update. This is my new Luxe Du Jour bag that I got from LuxeDuJour. We're gonna talk about it. Renting a bag, I love it. I've been talking about it. I've done a few videos on it. This is the bag I just rented. I took it through Europe. I'm gonna talk about it, okay? So let's talk about it, okay? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, a shopaholic, and today we're talking about this new little munchkin that I probably have unboxed, maybe not, I don't know, that I used for 2 weeks in Europe and now I'm giving back. So I just wanna do a quick review of the bag. We're gonna do a review of the bag, my thoughts, and a review of the service to rent it. And yeah, okay. So a review of the bag and my review of the rental service. So if that's something you're interested in, please stick around, please smash that like button, please consider subscribing and keep on watching. And I have a discount code for you guys if you want to rent it for yourself. Also a discount code to buy, okay? 20% off for rentals. Steal of a deal, okay? So it's the name of the company is Luxe Du Jour. They're a Canadian-based company. I think I did another video on them. And also they have locations in California. Basically you can rent a bag for a weekly, bi-weekly, monthly fee. Use it. I think it's great. I think renting is good for a few reasons. One, you get to try out a bag style that you may not have or may not be sure about without just trying it on for a few minutes at the store or like even a little bit longer at a resale place. But you can actually use it. So I got to really use it and see how it works. And I love it. I love it. It's such an easy throw and go bag. It's bigger, it's more spacious than a mini Kelly, but it's still like a mini Kelly. Like doesn't have a top handle, so it doesn't like dig into your side. Like, I mean, not that the mini Kelly does, but like, it just looks easier on your side. It lays flat. I like the half moon shape. It can fit everything, great for travel. And then get your AirPods right here close. I also put like a little bag tag in here, but you could put probably something else. You could probably fit your car keys or something else in here if you wanted, or a little mints or something like that. Whatever you want. I don't know about a lip balm unless it's very, very tiny, like micro size hand sanitizer. But it's very easy. It's very subtle, under the radar. If you know, you know. It's not the normal shape, which I kind of like, and it feels like a little travel bag and don't feel like it's a little bit of a Target. I got to try out Swift leather a little bit more and see how that wears, which is another reason you can try out a different leather, try out a different style, try out a different leather, see if it's for you, see if it works in your life. And you can also kind of be a little more less precious with it because it's rental, right? You like normal wear and tear, they're fine with. Obviously if you destroy it or stain it, that's a different thing, but like a little bit of scuff here and there is fine. They clean it up and everything like that. And you're paying a fraction of the cost and you don't have to wait. You can get the bag and rent it right now. And also it's great because if you want to like have different bags for different occasions, like for example, this was for a trip, but if you wanted to like wear a certain bag to a couple events, but you don't have that color or you don't have that bag, you can rent the bag, use it for a couple events and then give it back. And no one will be the wiser. Your friends will be like, how do you have so many bags, babe? Hey, this is my little secret, right? So now I'm gonna turn this in and get something else. They're really great. You rent it, they ship it right away. You get it in like a day or two and you have 2 weeks. They remind you, or sorry, I rented this for 2 weeks. You have like whatever amount of time you rent it for. They send, you have a return shipping label, return box, you just send it back. These bags are VIP. So like you can rent any other bag without paying a subscription fee, just joining, I think. But for these bags, you have to be a VIP. So you have to pay a monthly subscription on top. But totally worth it because you get access to the better bags. I mean, it's great, it's easy, and I love it, and totally worth it. And you can also, I mean, if you want, you can give your bags in and have them be rented, and you get a percentage of the rent or something like that. I haven't done that yet, but you never know. I weigh so many bags and they're just sitting here. And they obviously also sell bags. If you like the bag, you can buy it out, or they have other bags that you can buy that are not for rent as well. They have a ton of bags and they have pretty good price deals. It's Luxe Du Jour. My discount code for those of you that want it is MAYANK20 for rentals and MAYANK for just buying, MAYANK. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. I love it. It's a cool, new, different company. They're really nice. They're really sweet. You can go into the store, try all the bags out. If you're near one of the store locations, they have storefronts. You can go in and make an appointment and try everything out, see their inventory, stuff like that. Yeah, highly recommend. A little more like tailored and personal than like, let's say the Real, or even going to Fashion File, which is like a giant warehouse. But yeah, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below, and that's all I got. I'm gonna say goodbye. Goodbye. Really gotta pack it up right now and send it back. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash that like button. Please share with your friends and family. If you hated it, share with your enemies and exes. I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious, so I appreciate you spending your time here with me. I'll see ya in the next one. Bye.